Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please kindly don't forget to subscribe down below, give the video a big thumbs up and of course share with others. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple fried rice mixed with eggs and some shrimps. So without further ado, let's start with this recipe. So on today's recipe, these are our following ingredients which I'm going to show you while we are cooking them. We have the following ingredients. We have some shrimps, we have some eggs, rice, paper, canned corns, we have some peas, we have some salt, ginger garlic, we have some soy sauce, oil, paper, and of course we have the normal onion. So let's begin with this recipe. So the first step, you're going to take your onion, remove the outer skin, then slice the onions into small pieces. Then you're going to take your capsicum or bell pepper, then you're going to cut it in long strips. Afterwards, take your rice cooker, then pour 3 cups of water, 2 cups of basmati rice or any rice that you prefer, add the onions and the capsicum and sprinkle a bit of salt, then mix everything well, cover and put it in a rice cooker to let it cook until nicely cooked. After approximately 15 minutes to 20 minutes, our rice is nicely cooked, as you can be able to see in the video. Then you're going to continue with the next step. I got some vegetables here. I've used the canned ones or you can use the fresh ones. Of course, you have to boil them before you use them. I have some long beans, I have some peas, carrots and some corns. I'm going to remove the water, then I'm going to place all the vegetables into a bowl. Afterwards, you're going to cut your spring onions into small slices like so. Then you're going to take a pan and place the pan on a medium heat and add some oil and let the oil to become hot. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add your peeled shrimps, then sprinkle a bit of salt, black pepper, chili flakes and paprika and mix everything well and cook the shrimp for approximately 6 to 8 minutes until the shrimps are nicely cooked. Once the shrimps are nicely cooked, you're going to place them on a pan. Then you're going to take your 4 eggs, break 1 egg at a time, sprinkle some salt and black pepper and whisk them very well. Afterwards, you're going to pour some oil into the pan and let the oil to become hot. Once the oil has become hot, you're going to pour the eggs and mix the eggs continuously until the eggs are nicely cooked. Once your eggs are nicely cooked like so, then you're going to place your scrambled eggs on the plates. Afterwards, you're going to add your vegetables, add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste and cook your vegetables for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. After some minutes, you're going to add the cooked shrimp and the scrambled eggs, sprinkle a bit of salt and black pepper and mix everything well and nice. Oh yes, this is the best part and of course we are getting there. Add your cooked basmati rice and add approximately 3 to 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can reduce or you can add, that's up to you, and mix everything well and nice. Lastly, you're going to sprinkle your spring onions and mix it once more and cover for at least 3 minutes. Then your fried rice will be ready. Oh yes, finally our fried vegetable rice is ready. As you can be able to see in the video, this rice looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to serve myself on the plate with some orange juice and I'm going to give you guys feedbacks on how this rice tastes. So our fried rice is ready. Like you can able to see in the video, it looks absolutely delicious. I'm gonna serve myself with some orange juice, of course.
Wow. It looks, it tastes so good, like guys, oh my god, like you really need to make this recipe. It's simple, it just takes a few minutes to make this amazing recipe. But guys, it's a 10 for 10. I'm not praising myself, but it's a 10 for 10. Absolutely delicious. And of course, like you guys know, I love orange juice. One of my favorite drinks. Absolutely delicious.
If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others, and please kindly don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.